Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Plenty of Fish account on phone. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your mobile phone and navigate to the Plenty of Fish application. Now, log in using your user credentials and you will see the Plenty of Fish page. Here, you will see a profile icon at the top right side of the screen. When you click on this icon, you will see this page where you will see your edit profile button, add photos button, my account section and manage account just below it. So click on manage account button and you will see your membership, settings, application. So navigate to the application section and you will see the delete account button. You will have to simply click on this button and it will take you to this page. Here you can see you can give yourself a breather. When you take a break from POF, only your existing matches can view your profile and message you. So you can click on take a break and you'll be able to temporarily close your account. Now, in order to delete your account, you'll have to click on delete my account button at the bottom and it will take you over to this page. You will have to choose would you recommend Plenty of Fish? You can choose yes or no. Now, you'll have to choose the reason for leaving. For example, I will choose I met someone on POF and I will click on delete my account. Now when I click on delete my account button, it will instantly delete my POF account on my phone. So that's how you delete Plenty of Fish account on phone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.